afternoon everyone. Myself San Subhankar Sahu of class 11. Now I am going to present my presentation on the topic of motion under gravity. It is guided by our vice principal, Dr. Rajashree Mahamantra. There are a total of 5 objectives: introduction and what is motion, how motion under gravity works, how motion under gravity could affect on our daily life, and contribute. Before starting the introduction, I want to tell some fact about Sir Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton proposed the universal gravitational constant, which states that every object has its own gravitational force, which is directly proportional to their mass and indirectly proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now let's start the introduction. Sir Isaac Newton formulated gravitational theory in 1665 after watching an apple falls down and asking why the apple fell straight down rather than sideways or even upward. He showed that the force that makes the apple fall and that holds on the ground is the same as the force that keeps the moon and planets in their orbits. What is motion? Motion in physics refers to the change in position with respect to time. It is described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed, and frame of reference to an observer, measuring the change in position of the body relative to that frame with a change in time. How motion under gravity works? Motion under gravity refers to the movement of an object whose vertical motion is affected by the presence of gravity. The force that attracts objects downward is gravity. In fact, gravity works towards the center of the earth. The mass of the object and the gravitational constant determines the magnitude of the gravitational force, which is weight is equal to mass into gravitational force. Let's take an example. We will throw a ball in upward direction and let the velocity of ball is v and the gravitational force be g. And I took the upward direction as positive direction to calculate the value of time of flight and also the maximum height. Now the time of flight is v by g, and this side also the time will be v by g. The total time of flight is equal to 2v by g, and the maximum height from the ground is v square minus u square by 2as. So the final velocity will be 0 and the initial velocity will be v. So we will take 0 square minus v square is equal to 2 minus g into h. Minus g I have taken, that's why, because the direction is, I have taken the direction as positive, upward direction as positive. So we can also write h is equal to average velocity into time, because v plus 0 by 2 is v plus 0 by 2 into g into t is equal to v square by 2g. How motion under gravity important in our daily life? There are many examples such as kites, revolution of celestial bodies, walking, etc. In these type of cases, gravitational force plays a very important conclusion. By doing this project, I conclude that these laws are very important in our daily life. This project will increase the knowledge about these Newton laws. I acquire so much knowledge from this project. Thank you.